And now we're joined by Darren Hartwell, who will answer all of our fantasy football questions. And Darren, the first thing is we need quarterbacks. There's been a number of injuries around the league. A number of teams are on byes. So who would you pick as quarterback this week?
I'm looking at Brock Osweiler this week. Obviously, anyone who watched the Monday night game, he played pretty awful in that game, but he was playing the Broncos. A much better matchup this week. He's playing the Detroit Lions. They've actually given up the most fantasy points to opposing quarterbacks, so I think he's in line for a bounce-back game.
All right, Darren, last week you told us to pick up Jay Ajayi at running back, and he went for over 200 yards for the second week in a row, so we're not going to be able to get him again. But in terms of running backs that we could maybe find on the waiver wire, who are you looking at?
Yeah, there aren't any Jay Ajayis out there in Week 8, but I am looking at Chris Thompson for the Washington Redskins. Matt Jones, the starter, fumbled on the goal line last week, so Jones' status may be a little iffy, and Thompson got 7 receptions out of the backfield, not to mention a few carries in the run game, so I think he could see more targets against the Bengals defense that's pretty average.
Okay, what about some wide receivers? We need some points here. Help us out.
Yeah, the big guy this week is Ty Montgomery. He's still listed at a wide receiver, but he's been playing running back for the Green Bay Packers. Seen 32 touches in the last 2 weeks. I think that'll dip a little bit with Niall Davis kind of working his way into things, but he should still see plenty of touches both in the run and the pass game, and they're playing the Falcons defense, which has given up points to the opposition this season.
Well, Darren, it's a tough week for fantasy football, so good luck to everyone out there. You might need it.